Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming audio, with a focus on the RIG 600 Pro HX Dual Wireless Universal Gaming Headset. Let's see what this headset has to offer. The RIG 600 Pro HX is not your average gaming headset. With dual-mode wireless connectivity, including Bluetooth and a low-latency 2.4 GHz USB-C wireless adapter. This headset is compatible with a wide range of gaming platforms, including Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, PC, and mobile devices. One of the standout features of the RIG 600 Pro HX is its unmatched audio quality. Equipped with bass-boosted high-sensitivity 40mm drivers and tuned acoustic chambers, this headset delivers impressively balanced game audio. Whether you're in the heat of battle or chatting with teammates, you'll experience crystal-clear audio every time. But that's not all. The RIG 600 Pro HX also offers versatility and convenience. With the ability to take Bluetooth calls or listen to music from your mobile phone while gaming, you'll never miss a beat. Plus, with the RIG 600 Pro Navigator app, you can customize settings like equalizer presets, microphone sensitivity, and wireless modes to suit your preferences. Comfort is key during long gaming sessions, and the RIG 600 Pro HX delivers in spades. With RIG's signature snap-to-fit ear cups wrapped in breathable fabric and a cushioned headband, you'll enjoy all-day comfort without sacrificing performance. Now, let's address some common questions and concerns about the RIG 600 Pro HX. If you're experiencing interruptions from Bluetooth calls while gaming, fear not. Simply adjust your device settings to prioritize game audio over call notifications. Similarly, if you're streaming music via Bluetooth and getting interrupted by audio from the USB-C transmitter, try adjusting your device's audio output settings to prevent conflicts. As for answering calls on your iPhone, ensure that the RIG 600 Pro HX is selected as the default audio output device in your phone's settings for seamless integration. Checking the battery level of your RIG 600 Pro HX is easy. Simply power on the headset, and you'll receive an audio notification informing you of the current battery level. Finally, if you're having trouble with the RIG 600 Pro Navigator app's text size on Android phones, try adjusting your device's display settings for improved readability. And there you have it, folks. The RIG 600 Pro HX Dual Wireless Universal Gaming Headset offers unparalleled audio quality, versatility, and comfort for gamers of all levels. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. Until next time, happy gaming!